Welcome to Cityview. This is elevated living just one block from the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 2C, a 2-bedroom on the main floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the first thing you'll see is your kitchen, with a refrigerator, an electric oven and range, a microwave, and a dishwasher. On into the living room, you'll find 7 pieces of furniture, a dining table and 2 chairs, an armchair and an end table, and a sofa and coffee table. One great feature of Cityview is the high ceilings and the large windows that let lots of natural light into this south-facing apartment, even on a cloudy day. On into bedroom 1. Every bedroom has 5 pieces of furniture, a dresser, a desk and chair, a full-size bed, and a bookshelf, as well as plenty of closet space. We'll continue in bedroom 2. You'll see the same 5 pieces of furniture, notice that each room in this apartment has an air conditioner and a heating element. And again, plenty of closet space. Another great feature of Cityview is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice, spacious bathroom with a shower and tub combo and a vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent for Cityview apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Cityview 2C. Call us today for availability.